What are you doing, little guy? Whose bed is that? That's not your bed. Are you having a party in Mommy and Daddy's bed? Are you having a party? Oh, really? Yeah? You like our bed better than your bed, don't you? Huh? Do you like our bed better? Who's this? Who came to join the party? It's the kitty. It's Zelda. Yeah. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. All right, then. Well, I'll let you stay here a little bit longer, but tonight you have to sleep in your bed. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Okay? Alrighty. You'll sleep in your bed. Bye, cutie. Bye.